Everyone, welcome to your own channel Platinum Research, and I hope you all are doing well. Let's quickly get into the markets today. Today is the expiry for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Let's check out that what's going to happen. And meanwhile, I have posted the basics on my Telegram channel. You can go and visit that. Link is in bio. So let's quickly get into the GIFT Nifty thing. GIFT Nifty is showing a kind of gap up in Indian markets for today. Also, क्योंकि आज जो एक्सपायरी के ऑप्शन चेन थे उसके हिसाब से इट वाज 24,800 एंड 900 वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स टू वॉच आउट फॉर. वी में ओपन गैप अप. एक बार ऑप्शन चेन पे चलते हैं. सो इफ वी चेक बैंक निफ्टी का ऑप्शन चेन, इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग विच शोज दैट डाउन साइड on a hindsight is limited till 55,400 and on the upper side it is 57,000. so एक बड़ी short covering की expectations आज बिल्कुल हो सकती है. Also, when you check the smaller time frame, the option chain is very clear that 56,000 PB call writers have unwinded in the last hours. Now let's quickly go to Nifty as well. So when I check Nifty, this is the option chain wherein 24,800 पे काफ़ी वर्क हुआ है in the last minute. And if you check a full day option chain, you will find out that 24,750 is a very very strong range, and we have got a immediate resistance at around 25,500. so it's going to be a huge range, and whenever you're trading on expiry days, make sure that you are checking the ATR as well. So the ATR itself is very high, so the volatility is very much expected for sure. Now let's quickly go to Nifty chart and let's check out that what's happening in Nifty spot. Let's work out on that. So this is Nifty. यहाँ पे Nifty ने एक अच्छा move दिया था on 27th, and then it was clearly consolidating at these areas. So these are the areas wherein it shows that this is a strong consolidation and the base which happened. So let's suppose in case if we kind of open around these areas, यहाँ पे you can check out if the resistance is kind of sustain and we move up. If this doesn't happen, then again we may fall into this zone, we may consolidate and then move up. So due to the volatility thing, it is very much possible that these moves can come. However, anything above 24,900 we can quickly do 25,050, and above that 25,200. so let's see how this pans out. However, anything below these zones, which is around 25,700 areas, these areas, it will be a pure short thing that may happen in markets. So this is Nifty, and let's quickly go to Bank Nifty as well. So this is Bank Nifty, and this is how it looks like. So Bank Nifty, I think I very clearly said that anything about 55,450 60 zones we are expecting a short covering. So I'll just show this on a bigger time frame so that it helps. This is a 1 hour chart, and in 1 hour time frame this has been the area wherein there has been a lot of consolidation that has been happening. And when these areas consolidate, it very clearly shows that there has been a supply previously which ended up us going here. Then there was a consolidation and the base trend line that kind of helped us to move up. And when this consolidation areas will act as demand, we will definitely move up. So on the upper side 55,700 and then above 56,000 is a clear targets for today. So if I have to write the targets for today, it is anything between 55,600 and 56,000. So these are the targets for today that you need to keep an eye on, and any short covering can lead for a more up move. So these are targets that you can keep an eye on. So that's it for the day, and anything on the OI change also has to be taken care of. Make sure that you are taking care of the option chain as well on the smaller time frame of not less than 1 hour. So in smaller time frame, if any kind of shiftings or unwindings are happening, you need to make sure that any kind of volatility will be setting in markets for sure. Also, if you see, India VIX has also kind of moved up. So we were trading at 18 and 19, the range of these zones. So anything above that 19 or 20 can be can be calling up for a volatility for sure. So that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty, guys. If you like the analysis, just send a hello in the comment section, and also let me know that if you like the analysis, and make sure that you join the Telegram channel for the live updates and Instagram for much more. Thank you. Bye bye.